people, welcome back to my channel. Bikers often find themselves in situations where drivers don't see them in the mirror. Such situations usually provoke the anger of bikers, which easily escalates from swearing to smashing mirrors. Let's start with a couple of clips that show these dangerous escalations. Guys, the most important thing on motorcycle are good tires and good brakes. Sometimes drivers get confused and start driving in the wrong direction. The lady did not follow the traffic signs at the intersection ahead, and instead of turning right, she turned left straight into a dangerous drive.
Do you need a push?
I did call 911 and I did call the AAA, so...
I can push you over there because you are blocking the traffic. Okay, I'm gonna park over there, put on neutral, and I'll push you, okay? Alright.
Just a few years ago, it was quite normal for people to stop and help a driver whose car broke down. These days, you could wait a very long time on the road for someone to help you. This lady is very lucky today.
We go over there, right? Yeah, over there. Yeah, I need to push the car, yeah. Yeah. Get inside, get inside, get inside. Alright, that's fine. Get inside the Chase Bank, Chase Bank. Why she's...
Fucking nice.
She was... Oh?
I like your bike.
Oh, thanks, appreciate it. I think here is safe. Are you okay? Everything's fine?
Sorry.
Everything's fine? All right, have a good day. All right, bye.
Y'all blocking the road. I had to go around. How you feeling? You still, why did you slow down? Doing the wheelie, I had to go around. Slow down. You three blocked the road. I'm not trying to do 35. You horn. I'm not gonna blow my horn at you. I literally went around you. How y'all feeling? What's up? It was double yellow. If I know double yellow. You don't deserve a license. Man, are you the traffic police? No. Exactly.
Oh, he got. Are you good? Ah. Okay.
Holy. You're good.
Are you good? He's good. Oh, you're all wet.
I think we bedded right in mud. Anything hurt?
Let me see.
I came real across and I hit this, and my front tire slipped. Well, that was interesting. And then I think you locked your back brake up also. No, yeah, my front tire hit, it slipped, so I hit the brakes. Okay. And it locked up and it all went up from there. Oh,
Yeah. You landed in there?
I literally landed, I went like this, and look where I landed. Where's my leg? I landed just like this.
Did you slide on the ground at all?
Me?
Yeah.
No. I came off the bike here, went boom, and then boom.
That's lucky because those jeans would be ripped. And your bike would be pretty. I mean, it's just a little dirty, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Oh, dude. A little scratch, but that's a little cracked.
Whatever. Oh, that was fun.
That truck that passed us was probably laughing.
Yeah.